composition of functions. In this video, we learn the composition of functions. For example, there are two functions, fx is equal to this and gx is equal to this. And we have to find different things. For example, we find f plus g, that is the addition. And in that case, what we do, x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3, which is equal to x square, you have to add these two, that means 5x, then minus 2. Next one, subtraction of the two functions. Subtraction. Now, what we do, x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. And what we get, x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. So it becomes x square plus x, 3x minus 2x plus x plus 4. Okay. Now we learn how to multiply two functions and how to divide two functions. After that, we also tell you some different types of more functions. Now multiplication of two functions. That means fx dot gx. So as we do multiply in the algebra, we do in the same manner. What we get, 2x cube, 6x square plus 2x. Now with minus 3, minus 3x square minus 9x minus 3. So what we get, 2x cube, this and this, that is plus 3x square, then minus 7x minus 3. This is our answer. So as we do in algebra, the similarly we do here. Now how to divide two functions. If we divide fx divided by gx, what does it mean? X square plus 3x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 3. So we divide in the same manner, x square plus 3x plus 1, now 2x minus 3. So when we divide, we get x over here, it is x square divided by 2x. What we get, x by 2. So x by 2, multiply it with 2x minus 3. We get x square minus 3x by 2. That means x square minus 3x by 2. So this is minus, this is plus, it gets cancelled. Now here what we do, 3x plus 3x by 2. 3 to the 6, that is 9x by 2 plus 1. Again we find what we write over here. 9x by 2 divided by 2x. Get cancelled, that is 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So here we get 9x by 2. Here 9 3s are minus 27 by 4. So ultimately we get remainder. This becomes plus minus, it get cancelled. That is 31 over 4. So in this way we divide two functions. Now we learn a little bit different thing which comes in the class 12th, that is composition of functions. Just let us see. Now for example, if it is said find FOG, or you can say find GOF. Now watch over here, what is the difference in between them and how will we find out these and whether the answers are same or not. Now in case of FOG, that means you have to put the value of function g in the value of function f. That means in the place of x square, you write the value of gx, that is 2x minus 3 whole square plus 3, 2x minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So when we solve, it becomes 4x square plus 9 minus 12x plus 6x minus 9 plus 1. It is get cancelled. we get 4x square minus 6x plus 1. Now when we solve this, we write the value of fx into gx. That is 2 into, in place of x, we write the fx. That is x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 3. So it becomes 2x square plus 6x plus 2 minus 3. We get 2x square plus 6x minus 1. This is the answer. So these answers are different. So the value of FOG and value of GOF are totally different. That means the thing over in the right hand side, that means this function is put in the earlier function. Okay. Now some more functions. For example, it is said that find f of fx. Then what does it mean? It means that put the value of fx in this x square plus 3x plus 1 whole square plus 3 x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 1. That means we put the value of fx in the fx again, then it is FOF. If it is GOG, that means the value of g in again in the function gx. So when we solve, we get x4 plus 9x square plus 1 plus 6x cube plus, after that, 2 6x plus 2x square plus 3x square plus 9x plus 3 plus 1. We use the formula a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and find out these values. So when you solve, you will get the answer. Okay, this and this. 6x cube, 3 2 5 9 5 14x square, 9 6 15x plus 4. So in this way you find different types of questions related with the composition of the functions. Thank you.